Today we're going to cover lesson 8.3, installment loans on monthly payments and finance charges. We have equations that we need to add to the list, so let's go ahead and take a moment to add these few equations to your equation sheets. The first equation is monthly payment. This equals your amount of loan divided by 100 times your monthly payment for a $100 loan. Put a little asterisk by this. This asterisk, you can find this number on the chart on page A13. Next equation, total amount repaid. This equals the number of payments times your monthly payment. Next equation is finance charge. Your finance charge is going to equal your total amount repaid minus your amount financed. And the last one, monthly payment equals your principal times your rate times 1 plus your rate to the n power all over 1 plus your rate to the n power minus 1. I want to make a note. R here is your rate per month. Rate per month, not your annual rate. Your one vocab word for this lesson was annual percentage rate, APR. This is an index showing the cost of borrowing money on a yearly basis expressed as a percent. I want to dive into today's lesson. We're going to start with example 1. It says Blake and Jacqueline are purchasing $1,399.99 side-by-side refrigerator with an installment loan that has an APR of 12%. This should say the store financing requires a 10% down payment and 12 monthly payments. What is the finance charge? Well, I first have to find out how much that down payment is, because I need to know how much we finance. So we're going to first find our down payment by taking $1,399.99 and multiplying it by our percent down, which is the 10%. 1399.99 times 0.10. So I have to pay $140 down, because that third 9 is going to round all that up. This is my down payment. So now I need to find my amount financed. So we're going to take $1,399.99 and we're going to subtract our down payment of $140. 1399.99 minus 140 is $1,259.99. Now I can move into today's lesson. We need to find our monthly payments. Monthly payment equals your amount of your loan, which is this $1,259.99 divided by 100 times the number that we're going to find on page A13. So let's get a book. I'm going to flip it to A13. Okay. Monthly payment, oops, sorry, you can't see it. Monthly payment on a simple interest installment loan of $100. Turn off this light. Okay, there we go. All right. So we know that it is a 12% interest rate. And we're doing this for 12 months' time. So they have 8.88. So we're going to multiply this by 8.88. So, oops, clear that out. We're going to take our answer and divide by 100 times 8.88. So my monthly payments each month are $111.89. Well, how many months do I need to pay that for? I've got to pay that 12 months, right? So I want to find my total amount repaid. We're going to take our monthly payment, $111.89, and we're going to multiply it by the 12 months that we pay this loan off. 111.89 times 12. Over the course of the 1 year, we make payments that total $1,342.68. Now, the question asks, what was the finance charge, right? Well, my loan was only $1,259.99, but I paid $1,342.68. So we're going to find our finance charge, we're going to take the amount that we paid, $1,342.68, and subtract by the loan amount, which is $1,259.99. So take this and subtract. We pay $82.69 in just finance charges alone. Take a moment to get this copied. We're about to move into our try on your own. It is a lengthy process, so please make sure you don't forget any steps. You have to find the down payment. You have to find the amount financed. You have to find the monthly payment. You have to find the total amount repaid, and you have to find the finance charge. If you forget any one of those steps, you've gotten the answer wrong. Go ahead and take about 7 minutes. Pause your videos here and work through question number 1. Try on your own. The answers to questions 1A through E have now been provided. Please take a moment to compare your answers to mine. If you have any questions, please let me know. On the next slide, you will see a debriefing. Go ahead and answer your debriefing, and then we'll move on to example 2.